Hey there, animal lovers. Welcome to the Guess the Animal Sound Challenge. Today, we've got some amazing animal sounds lined up for you, ranging from easy to medium, and for the real pros, hard. Think you've got what it takes? Let's find out. Here's how it works. I'll play a sound and you'll have 5 seconds to guess which animal it is. After that, I'll reveal the answer and share a fun fact about the animal. Ready? Let's dive in. All right, let's start with some easy ones to warm up. Get ready to listen closely. That was a cow. Did you get it? Cows moo to communicate with their herd and even have different tones for different emotions. Isn't that utterly fascinating? That's right, it's a sheep. Fun fact, sheep have excellent memories and can recognize up to 50 other sheep faces for over 2 years. Bah, brilliant, huh? Of course it's a horse. Horses use neighs and whinnies to communicate their emotions, from excitement to anxiety. Talk about expressive. It's an elephant. Their trumpets can be heard from miles away, and it's how they express joy, anger, or even warn their herd of danger. Big sound for a big animal. Now that you're warmed up, let's take it up a notch. These sounds might make you think a little harder. Listen carefully. It's a dolphin. These marine geniuses use clicks and whistles to communicate and even have unique whistles that act like their names. Smart, huh? That was a peacock. Their loud screeching calls are used to attract mates and warn of predators. Beauty with a voice, right? Yep, it's a rooster. They crow to mark their territory. And fun fact, they can crow any time of the day, not just in the morning. That was a frog. Male frogs croak to attract females, and some species can croak so loudly that it can be heard over a kilometer away. Riveting, isn't it? All right, it's time for the hard round. Only true animal sound experts will ace these. Let's see how you do. It's a wolf. Wolves howl to communicate with their pack and claim their territory. Their haunting howls can travel up to 10 miles in open areas. Spooky. That was a cicada. Their buzzing sound comes from vibrating membranes on their abdomen. Fun fact, some cicadas emerge only once every 17 years. Talk about patience. That's the kookaburra. Known as the laughing bird, their calls sound like they're chuckling and they use them to mark their territory. It's a lynx. These elusive cats make eerie wails, especially during the mating season. Their sharp hearing helps them hunt even the smallest sounds of prey in the wild. Wow, that was wild. How many sounds did you guess correctly? Let me know in the comments below.